Welcome to day 2 of our sneak peeks for our November products. I am so excited to share this next collection. We've got Snowy Pastels, and it is really pretty with the pastel colors, beautiful images. We have 2 more stamp sets that will be in your box of the month. So this is the Frosty Friends. And remember, if you're on the club and you would like the coordinating dies for your stamps, you can get those on the website on November 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. They will cut out all the images plus the sentiments. So we've got these cute little characters. They're like little snowman animal characters. They're super, super cute. We've got the sentiments, hello winter, together, I'm snow cute, for you, let it snow, and there's a to and a from, and snow happy. So these are perfect for making Christmas tags or holiday tags. Really cute images. We've got Snowflake Sparkle, which is really pretty. We've got these large snowflakes. The die is really cool. It'll cut out some of the inside portions of the snowflakes. So you'll get some really detailed cuts there. And it will also cut out your sentiments. So we've got Let It Snow, Joy, and Sparkle. And these would look awesome if you emboss them with gold or silver or any embossing and do some ink blending techniques with your snowflakes. I think that would be really fun. Snowy Pastels is our paper pad and ephemera pack. These will be available for individual purchase on November 1st at 9 a.m. So if you want to get your hands on this collection, it is super, super cute. Snowy Pastels. We'll take a look at the paper pad. I'll share the ephemera, and then we'll make a quick little card. So I love the purples in here, so pretty. This paper pad has 2 of each design, double-sided, 24 sheets. Nice polka dots. You get large ones, and then you get your smaller ones in a lighter purple. The little images are just so cute. I love this character in here, this little deer. It's like a little doll deer. And that color right there is so pretty. It's a really pretty snowflake background. Cute, cute little images. This one has ornaments. Little holiday cookies in pastel. Love that purple plaid. Got the ornaments on a pink background. Really cute. There's that cute little deer. Nice little pink snowflake background. And the plaid. Love the plaid. A lot of snowflake backgrounds in here. And then those cute images. And then we've got polka dots. This is a pretty pale pink. Super adorable. And then those Christmas cookies in purple. And another little snowflake background. Beautiful color palette. And then I'm gonna put all of these out. That's my favorite character right there with that little poof at the top. Isn't it adorable? since this is my favorite character, I'm going to put her out and let's see what we can do with her. Let's see, where's that little page with the little character? All right, let's grab that. Okay, so here's some of the colors that I'd like to use. All right, so let's see what we come up with. Let's see if we could get 2 cards out of this. I'm going to put them together like this through my die cutting machine and then run it through with this wavy hilt die. Now I can swap out the 2 patterns, put them together, and create 2 cards. All right, so let's go ahead and glue those down. I got everything laid out how I want, so let's start gluing this together. We've got a circle scallop, and on the other one we have an oval scallop. I thought the oval fit the little reindeer doll a little bit better. And then I'm going to stamp a little sentiment on here, but we need to figure out where we're going to lay out our image first. So I was thinking about putting this little bow at the top and then have her in the middle and have this pillow tucked behind her. It brings out the color in the card base here. So I'm just going to tuck that behind her. And then I was thinking about using the For You stamp set in the Frosty Friends set. So there's just a little For You that's going to fit. And we can have that like right there. So we're going to put that at the top. There we go. I think that's a nice layout. So we'll put some foam stickers on the back. So cute. I'm going to put some stickles on her little poof. We'll pop her up and pop up this little bow. Use enamel dots from the Cherry Blossom Spring Cottage collection. I'm going to use these mint green color. I think that's going to look pretty. And for this one, I think I can go for the pink. I just added a few enamel dots from the Cherry Blossom Spring Cottage enamel dot package. So they turned out super, super cute. So we've got card number 1, the cute little character, love it, so cute, and card number 2. So let me know which one is your favorite down below. And don't forget to meet me back tomorrow for day 3 of sneak peeks. And then on release day, we'll have a release day party at 10 a.m. Central Time. So I hope you can join me then as well. And I can't wait to hang out with you guys. So I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.